Hey, welcome. If you're watching this video, you probably want 10 points extra credit on your last test. Very easy to do. First thing you do is go to khanacademy.org. After that, you're going to log in. And I've already made myself a login page. So if you haven't, you have to sign up. So I'm going to get myself logged in, upchs.org. And my password is I love cats forever. Oh, and you have to spell your email right, of course. Now, what's going to happen here is that you're going to get logged in. You're going to be sent to this profile page. Now, if you're on your phone, you might not see this, but just here's what you got to do. You go to like this upper right-hand corner, and you go to your profile. Okay? Profile. Click on that profile. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Coaches, and over here it says Join a Class. Enter class code or email address. That's what you're going to want to do. Now, if you go back to the Weebly website, probably how you're watching this video, you grab this class code right here, you copy and paste it, or whatever you want to do, you just put it in here, you put join the class. Now I've already joined, so I'm not going to press that button, but after you join the class, you have to wait for me to approve. It might take me a little bit, so just give it a second, maybe a few hours, email me if I haven't approved, but once you've got the approval, when you go back to home, here it goes, you'll see you have these assignments right here. So what you have to do is start these assignments, all right? And you have to get 100 on each one of these. And once you get 100% on all 5 of these, you got yourself 10 extra credit points. Congrats, good luck, and don't forget, after you've added, you won't see this page automatically. I have to approve you as a student, so you might have to wait a few hours before you actually see this in your actual home screen. All right, good luck, and I hope you get these 10 points. Bye.